Meet Scott, a
This
guy who loves his neighborhood.
is Mr. Biscuit.
That's why Scott's an On Point member. He values a connection
He's my
between where
cat.
he lives and where he does his banking.
He's gonna go in and get something to drink.
That community connection means banking dollars stay in the local economy for the people and businesses.
Let's see if I can get it over there to see it. I'm pretty
When
sure I
you love
can.
where you live,
Watch this.
you do what you can to make it great.
Yeah, back there in the corner. That's where I put his water because he likes fresh water. And I actually, I'm always I put fresh water in there about every hour or so.
So there's more to protect schools
Why?
and create
Because
jobs.
I like it.
Ted Wheeler's track record shows he knows how to make government work smarter for us, balancing 3 tough budgets, closing a $45 million deficit, and actually paying down $24 million in debt. New state
Mr.
treasurer
Biscuit.
because Oregon needs a number.
This thing doesn't focus very well when you zoom it, does it? Well, that's terrible. Logitech.
My teeth had gotten so bad.
I want to look my best for her.
For him.
He's just drinking water. That's boring.
Stop waiting and start smiling at Aspen
Bring it
Dental
back
with no
in.
interest for 24 months. And right now, save on
And I'll
select
show you little girl. This is little girl. Yeah, I know. She heard her name, so she woke up right in the middle of sleeping too. They done something. Right in the middle of sleeping. Hey, honey, little girl. We love this little kitty. She's just something else, aren't you, honey? Aren't you, baby? She's our little girl. We call her that because, well, she's a little girl. She's our own little girl. Listen to this. Hey, baby. You just gonna sit there and reach for it and purr? She's gonna lay there and purr. You wonder what that is? That's a camera, honey. It's looking right at you. Actually, she's a poser. She knows it's a camera. She's probably telling me. Close up. There's something just as cute, I'm sure. Aren't you, honey? Little looky-loo. You little looky-loo, you. Listen to that purr. Sorry about that, folks. I'm gonna grab a little bit. Go ahead, sleep, honey. I just love this little girl. She's such a sweetheart. She's called a Somali. Aren't you, honey? You little Somali? Huh? You little Somali? You're looking right at the camera, too. You know what it is. You know what that is, don't you? You little sweetheart. It's so funny. You're not going. There you go. That's right. You like that? She really is my favorite kitty, though. See, look at her stomach. Look at her diaphragm. See it go? See that? And then you hear her purr, and you know why it's doing that. Goodbye, sweetie. Goodbye, little girl. See you later, honey. There's Mr. Biscuit. Just laying on the floor. What are you doing, Mr. Biscuit? Or how about this new name? He's got a new name. Professor Bigman. That's because he's a big man. He's Professor Bigman. I'll see you later too, buddy. Bye now. You guys are going to YouTube or something for the fun of it. Take it easy. Back to Sleeping Kitty. Bye, sweetie. Goodbye. Bye, everyone. Goodbye now.